Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YRIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And I don't want to say updates because that's not quite the right word, but more so confirmation is the accurate word after today's price movement. The first big point of confirmation, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Monday, but if you did, then hopefully you remember me talking about that green line down there as support at the dollar mark. And you can see that today the price came right down to that area and dropped slightly below it, but I think we can all agree essentially bounced right off that level. So congratulations to the technical players out there that took notice of that and got a great entry point before getting the nice bounce upwards. But the point here being that the level of support that you would want to see and expect to see act as support did indeed act as support. So a dollar confirmed as that key level of support going forward. In the event the price does not hold up above a dollar, then the level you would want to immediately turn your attention to is that purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average, which keyword being moving. So as the week continues to play out, that line will move itself higher and get more and more relevant to where the price currently is at. But as of right now, because it's still down below the dollar mark, top priority support goes to a dollar, and then you turn your attention to that 50-period moving average. On the flip side of things, same exact thing. Talked about right up here around $1.40 as that area of resistance, and you can see this morning, yeah, it did get up above it very, very briefly, and then back down it went. So definitely confirmed that right here in this general area of congestion, $1.40 certainly is that key level of resistance from the bigger picture point of view. In the very near term, to give some bulls some credit here, gotta like how there is this nice little upward slope here to it. Now, that doesn't mean that this thing's for sure going back up to $1.40, but nice to see that the price spent really the remainder of the day after the early morning session building those higher bases. So we'll see if the higher bases can continue and if the price can stay up above that trend line. If that trend line is broken, then at that point it would not be shocking at all to see the price at minimum go back to the dollar mark. So we'll see what happens with it, but overall, the chart is hanging in there, but definitely now have confirmation that the dollar mark key level of support and the $1.40 mark key level of resistance. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.